Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write essay A Visit to Historical Place. Let's get started. Last Sunday we went to visit the tomb of Jahangir. It is situated at Shadra. The beautiful wooden gate with arches can be seen from a distance. We crossed the gate and entered the courtyard. A fountain is built in front of the tomb. There are groves of mango trees which spread cool shade. The tomb is built of colored marbles. There are colored designs on the walls. The great Mughal emperor is enjoying eternal rest for centuries. There are 4 minarets on 4 corners of the building. We climbed up a minaret and had a bird's eye view of the city of Lahore. Then we climbed down the minaret. We had got dead tired, so we returned home. We were very happy. We have enjoyed ourselves much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.